Hey Warren, this will just be a very quick unboxing of the Product Red iPhone 13 mini here. This is 2023, so this has been out for a little bit. But yeah, I just went and bought one yesterday. This is brand new, of course. I bought one from Amazon, I think it was last week. It's supposed to have been premium renewed, and it was not in good shape at all. So went ahead and spent the extra like 50 bucks, 60 bucks. Come back, that is beautiful. I got this brand new one. So of course you're not getting much in the box these days. Your lightning adapter to USB Type-C. We do have Product Red, which now goes towards COVID. On here it still says HIV and AIDS. Online it says towards COVID. Of course, you get your Apple sticker and your SIM card release, SIM card slot release. And again, we have our nice, beautiful red phone that is absolutely gorgeous. That is, in my opinion, the best color. There we go. Love, you can see the red around the outside as well. That is just a very nice looking small phone. One thing I will say though is it is hard to find cases for this phone in stores. Only place I could find is Best Buy had two phones that are on heavy clearance. Phone cases that are on heavy clearance. So this is definitely going to be a phone that's going to be harder to find stuff for, except for on Amazon. There we go. Like I said, very quick unboxing. That's all there is. Just want to show off that beautiful red color, as it is gorgeous. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Have a good one. Goodbye.